Welcome to your inner autumn, your luteal phase of your cycle. So some of the words that come up for me during the luteal phase are tiredness, bloating, emotional, cramps, sleep, being grounded, and your body. And throughout the next 7 days in this practice together, we are going to be merging this movement with crystal healing, something that's very, very close to me personally. So what is happening with your body during your inner autumn, your luteal phase? Well, progesterone, the hormone, rises to support a possible pregnancy, warming the body and slowing things down while your system waits to see what happens. If fertilization doesn't occur, then hormones gradually fall, which is why you might feel more inward, sensitive, or in need of structure and comfort. So one of my personal stories that I'd like to share with you today is about my patience for tuning in. So luteal energy naturally pulled me inward, making me finally notice the subtle sensations of one particular modality that I've trained in, and that's Reiki. As a Reiki master now, it did take me years of slowing down, trusting my body, and letting go of doing too much before I could really feel the shifts and that beautiful energy of Reiki. So in my BHR framework, body, heart, release, when we're coming through that inner autumn, the luteal phase, our body needs grounding movement. It needs to be steady. It needs routine. Our heart can turn inwards, reflecting on boundaries and what you actually need. And release, simply saying no and letting go of what drains you. Honestly, this phase of your cycle thrives on just gentle pruning. If you'd like to keep journeying with me, there are different branches you can explore, whether that's reading Womb Warriors Unite, my book, available on Amazon, listening to the Whispers of the Womb podcast, or stepping into a complete cycle, a complete return to yourself. My 28-day program guiding you through winter, spring, summer, and autumn in your own body. And if you're craving deeper roots and real-time support, there's my membership, the BHR Collective, or one-to-one coaching working directly with me. Just choose the branch that feels right for you right now. So come and join me for day 1 of your inner autumn, your luteal phase, where we're going to really harness energy when you're just feeling really tired. So I'll see you on the mat.